welcome to our tutorial review. Today we're unboxing Wave 1 of Fierce Force. Let's get started with Velociraptor. It's not Echo, Charlie, Delta or Blue. We can all tell that's just a Velociraptor really. That's number 1 of Fierce Force being completed. Its mouth can open and at the end we're scanning in some. And if I don't get time in the next video, if I do, I will scan them in for you. That's 2. Number 2 of Fierce Force. A herbivore. And 1 is carnivore, number 2 was herbivore. A little shaky. That's 2 of our Fierce Force already unboxed. Some of these are terrible at standing. That's how my last video ended up. Okay, 1, 2. Gallimimus. Little button. Okay, so we have. Sorry to say that I cannot say this is name or Masiakasaurus. That's the best I can say it. And Sauropelta. An L, something like that. Honestly, if I got it wrong, just basically add a little chat on my YouTube and you send me a little video how it's pronounced, and thank you very much. So this one does that, but its mouth, it doesn't automatically open its mouth. That's all of Fierce Force. So let's scan them in. Okay, let's go with Velociraptor. Okay. I'm doing quite well. Okay, that's our Velociraptor in. Little raptor. Okay. Whoa, we have a Velociraptor. Okay, so Velociraptor makes its nest to lay eggs in brood of her eggs. Her hands are flexible like wings, bones, and modern birds. The first fossil was discovered in 1924. She swallowed her food in a gulp instead of chewing. She had a long, stiff tail. Okay, so let's go to scanning our next one. This is such a flexible one. Okay, we got him in. Shaky, I call him. That's another one. Nice, isn't it? Okay, so she can grow up to 17 feet long. That's quite long. She eats a variety of low-growing plants such as conifera and clad. I could not say that. The name means lizard shield. Oh, because look at this. Basically, if a carnivore comes, psst, you get attacked. Okay. She has a long spine on her neck that she sheds. The name, I don't know its name, that's what it said its name, weighs as such as black rhinoceroses. That's a lot. That's scanning Gallimimus. Gallimimus is in. I attacked you. Yeah, that's a herbivore, don't get scared of that. We have Gallimimus. Okay. She is something. She is sparkle, but she is shy. She has a shy side. Her rear legs are heavy, muscular for running fast. Gallimimus enjoys a variety of different foods. The Gallimimus lives in Mongolia and late Cretaceous period. She runs a run of herd probably sounded like a stampede of horses. I have just enough time to scan this little dude in. Okay, just about enough time. Okay, that is all our Theosaur's been scanned into my Jurassic World Facts app. Okay, so the name of this the Masiakasaurus is probably for much to some him. She is small, sturdy and ribbed in the neck that makes her rather stiff. She is a lizard, a Labrador dog with a long tail. She hunts small prey such as fish. Her front teeth are towards their straight down. Okay, so that was all the facts you could get. And I'm going to give you seconds to scan this one in. Pause it, scan it in. Pause the screen, scan it in. Pause the screen, scan it in. And pause the screen, scan it in. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Bye.